have problems in the morning with this ring still on. So my little review and conclusion. The ring is awesome. The ring is really, really awesome. If you want to try out if this is something for you, I would keep it. I would wear it. I would wear it more often because first of all, it's cheap, it fits, and this is really kind of a nice way to try it out if this is something for you, and not spending $200-400 dollars for that. But my only problem with this ring is or two problems with this ring is, for me, it fits on this finger, but this is the biggest size, and it fits perfectly, but more in the afternoon, or in the mid of the day, in the afternoon. In the night and in the morning, your hands are, or at least my hands are, kind of swelling up a little bit, so they are minimally bigger. So I have problems in the morning with this ring still on. So my finger feels, my finger doesn't feel numb or something like that, but you have to watch out so that it's not it doesn't cut your blood flow from the finger. So that's kind of a bad thing. So I'm kind of sad. I was thinking about getting a ring for another finger, so it would fit better, but yeah, I was then afterwards I was thinking like, okay, this is nice to track your sleeping data, your overall data, how you feel and so on. This is awesome. But one thing for me personally was missing the notification, or an notification, if you get a notification on your mobile phone. For example, someone calls, so that it lights up or something like that, or that it vibrates, or those other things. That would be awesome. Just for tracking, it's cool. I would even say try it out. The price to the price ratio to what you get is, for my example, kind of cool. You get everything more or less what you receive in a smartwatch or in a smart band tracker, and if you want to try it out, this is, in my opinion, the best thing to try it out. If this is something for you, maybe when they have this light notification or vibrating notification, I would switch from a smartwatch, because it's more convenient for me to have it in a ring when you're somewhere else, to not have 12 more displays in front of me. So yeah, that's mostly it. So I think I'm giving it to somebody in my family. They can use it more, or if not, then I will resell it for a small price to have someone else check it if they want to try it out. But for now, the smartwatches will be still there. So yeah, I'm happy. Also that I haven't lost that much money, so that it's not fitting and I lost $200. No, it was like $20 for this, and so I could want to try it out. Awesome, really, really awesome. Well, thanks. Until then.